Today, September 2nd, 2025. The U.S. stock market reopened after the Labor Day holiday, with many notable fluctuations. Right from the morning session, all three major indexes fell simultaneously, reflecting the cautious sentiment of investors. Specifically, the S&P 500 lost about 0.64%. The Nasdaq Composite, where most of the technology stocks were concentrated, fell more than 1.1%, while the Dow Jones only slightly decreased about 0.15%. The main reason is concerns about trade policy. Recently, a federal court declared most of the tariffs imposed by the Trump administration illegal. Because under the Constitution, only Congress has the power to impose tariffs. Former President Trump immediately said he would appeal to the Supreme Court, raising concerns about policy uncertainty. In this context, the flow of money has become more cautious, waiting for clear signals before deciding. Another factor that has a strong impact on sentiment is the history of September. Statistics show that this is usually the worst month of the year for U.S. stocks, with high volatility and a high probability of correction. Therefore, even news that is not too negative can easily cause the market to react more strongly than usual. Looking at individual stocks, NVIDIA fell more than 1% in pre-market trading, after losing 3.4% late last week. Interestingly, the company still forecast $54 billion in third-quarter revenue. But the market seems to have priced in too many expectations, sending the stock into a correction. Tesla also fell nearly 0.4%, despite being up more than 8% in August, but still down more than 17% year-to-date. On the other hand, China's NIO rose nearly 2%. On the back of a strong August sales performance, with more than 31,000 vehicles sold. Up 55% year-over-year, Biogen rose 1%. As the FDA approved a new, injectable form of its Alzheimer's drug lecanemab, a move that will help the company expand its market and increase its revenue potential. In addition, Newmont, the world's largest gold mining group, also increased by more than 1% as gold prices climbed to a record high, showing that capital is looking to gold as a safe haven. From an analytical perspective, the market is currently in a state of balance between risks and opportunities. Risks come from policy instability in September sentiment, but opportunities lie in industries with solid foundations. Technology, with the explosion of artificial intelligence, healthcare with breakthrough products, and the region with a defensive role in volatile periods. Investors need to be cautious in the short term, but at the same time can take advantage of the correction to accumulate potential stocks for the medium and long term. In short, U.S. stocks started September with a cautious tone. The indexes fell slightly. Many large stocks fluctuated strongly, reflecting the concern but also opening up new opportunities. For those who were patient, the right strategy at this time is to maintain a balance in the portfolio, reasonable allocation to technology and pharmaceuticals, while maintaining a portion in gold as a safe haven. This is the time when discipline and long-term vision will make the difference.